If you're trying to figure out whether Leadpages or Unbounce is the best landing page software, you're in the right place. Both are popular choices for creating landing pages, but which one is truly better? We'll break down the features, ease of use, pricing, and more so you can decide which one fits your needs best. But stick around to the end, because I'll share a better alternative that I personally recommend after trying both of these platforms myself. Let's start with Leadpages. Leadpages is known for being beginner friendly, offering a drag and drop builder that's really easy to navigate. It's a great choice if you're new to building landing pages or if you don't have a lot of technical experience. You get over 200 templates to choose from, and the platform integrates easily with a lot of third-party tools. So, if you're looking for something straightforward and quick to set up, Leadpages could be the way to go. Next thing, we need to talk about the design flexibility. While Leadpages has those templates, they can feel a bit restrictive for anyone who wants a more custom design. The editor, while simple, doesn't have as much room for creative freedom as other platforms like Unbounce. It's built more for efficiency than creativity, so if you're looking for more control over every pixel, Leadpages might not be the best choice. Now, let's move over to Unbounce. Unbounce definitely takes the lead when it comes to design flexibility. It has a robust drag and drop builder that gives you more control over your landing pages. You can create custom built pages, which is great if you have a specific vision in mind. Plus, Unbounce offers dynamic text replacement, which lets you personalize landing pages based on where your traffic is coming from. This can be a game changer for marketers looking to improve conversion rates. But, and this is important, Unbounce is a bit more complex to use. There's a steeper learning curve, and if you're not familiar with landing page creation, it could take some time to get up to speed. So, while you get more design freedom, you'll need to invest time in learning the platform. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Leadpages is more affordable, with plans starting at just $39 per month. It's a great option for small businesses or individuals on a budget. Unbounce, on the other hand, starts at $99 per month, which is quite a jump. However, if you're running larger campaigns or need more advanced features, it might be worth the extra cost. Next thing, let's talk about conversion features. Leadpages offers some great tools like A/B testing, but Unbounce goes a step further with its smart traffic feature. This uses AI to direct visitors to the best performing landing page, improving conversions automatically. It's a feature that's really hard to beat if conversion optimization is a priority for you. So, which one is the best? Both are solid choices, but in my opinion, if you want something that's easy to use with a lower cost and you're okay with a bit less design flexibility, Leadpages could be a good fit. But if you're looking for more control, a higher level of customization, and advanced conversion features, then Unbounce may be the way to go. That said, after testing both of these platforms myself, I'd say there's an even better option out there. If you're serious about getting the best landing pages for your business without all the limitations of these two, check out the free trial of the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. This alternative will save you time, effort, and most importantly, boost your conversion rates. Don't miss out. Try it today.